Another failed attempt of recording. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Dustin. Today we will be playing Car Dealership Tycoon. Back in YouTube. Sorry for not posting a few days, but oh, we got a delay. But I failed, yeah, I got a lot of failed attempts recording this. Do we know, I don't know why, but. You guys know me? I'm a type of guy who likes to collect cars. And we are missing one. We are missing one. Yes, limited. To be though limited, it's a limited car. In fact, the difference here. AWD, RWD, AWD. All of them are AWD. So see, AWD. You see right here. You see right here. Another one, AWD, AWD. Even this one, AWD. So let's check all the prices. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new to this channel, and you don't know about anything about this Lamborghinis, and where have I got these two beautiful Lamborghinis, and this one is already, this one is not a limited, so yeah. This is a limited, cost like 9 million, I think. 8 million. I swear it was 9 million, but this is 10 million. This was 28 million, but it's from an event. It's from an event, like the Christmas event thing. And this is the Mothership. Oh, what? I don't know. You don't have to do anything for this Lamborghini. I think it's called the Lamborghini Shroud. Though you don't have to do anything for that Lamborghini. You can get it automatically for free, I guess. Because if you've done all of the 7-day daily challenge, you can get it. Though I got this. So need to get a better mic, cause I don't know. Sometimes if I drive a loud car, you guys can't even hear me well. So now you can hear me. are dumb. No, I'm dumb. I'm not calling you guys dumb. I'm calling myself dumb. I forgot. Oh my god. I forgot that. Today we're going to be unlocking every part of the video. Oh yeah, now I remember. So today's in this video, let's drive today. Let's go drive today, guys. Come on, bro. We're gonna do a backflip. Back up. Oh, I forgot to tell you that. The point, why am I talking about, why is it, RWT and all of them are AWD? See? Because AWD, listen, any car. Let's do a, this was supposed to be a Christmas card, though. Yeah, I messed it up. So let's try to do some. I'm gonna do a burnout. Can I do it? What about this one? I back up. I don't do a burnout. What about this one? Can I do it? Let's go back. This is a drift car for me. Pretty perfect though. What about this one? This is not a... No? Can I do it? What about the RWD? Yes, we can do it. We can do it. See, you need to use 2 hands. 2 fingers if you are mobile. You have to do this. It's late. 8:50 a.m. I think. Yeah, it's late. While I'm recording this, usually I wake up at 9 to record videos. So today, the point of this video, we're gonna get the unicorn, whatever it's called, bro. Everybody's saying it's called the unicorn something, bro. Chewy dough, look at that, look at that. I got 7,000. Yeah. My friend says this suck at drifting, but I think he's lying though, bro. So I have too much cars. I have 94 out of 215. Right, 2? Oh my god, 2 push, top, 2, top. Okay, this is my favorite car though. This is my favorite car. It has the best. It has every glitch in the world. The drift car has glitches now. My favorite is this. There's 2 holes. How do I get a lot of drift points? You guys saying, how do I get a lot of drift points? It's easy, guys. So here we go. What you need to get is top 4. If you don't have it, then get out of here. actually struggling to go very low from season 7, I think. If you missed it, up to you. Because I think you forgot about the season 7 glitch. The trophy glitch. Not this again, boy. Do I really have to? Do I really have to work? Are you serious? Are you serious right now, bro? No way, bro. No way, I just got out of the mountain. Invisible walls. When joining the race, bro. I just got flipped out of there. That's the worst. You know, if you do this glitch for like 1 hour, that's what I hate about the drift car. Don't ask me questions. Okay, that's I knew it, bro. Why? Content now. After this, I think I'm out of content. Okay, that's going to be long. 1.5 million, bro. I think this is going to be a 30-minute video. First time in life. It's lagging. like before. It's our field. We don't get 20K. We get 50. Gabriel, what happened to you, bro? Oh, I don't know what that. I don't know that copy. 16 hours. Yeah, 16 hours. 16 hours. What do we do? You see, 9 million. Oh, 900K. 900K? 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 Okay, 900K. Come on. There we go. Oh. Let's go. 1 million. Direct points. Let's go. Finally. 5 million more to go, I guess. This is going to be a lot. It takes about 50 seconds. It takes about 50 seconds. It takes about 50 seconds. I don't know. 50, 60, something like that. Oh, I think we're lagging. We're lagging. I really want to watch Jeffrey Touch. Oh my god, why is my screen black? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys see black screen. Alright, there we go. But peace out, guys. See you later. Peace out.